Remove the rear cover. Press the power button to turn off Yarbo. Remove the anti-theft bolts from battery cover on both sides. Then remove the battery cover by grasping both sides with your hands. Disconnect and take out the battery from the universal body. Please make sure that you have already turned off the Yarbo. First, please disconnect the lawnmower module from the universal body to check the status of the blades and cutting disc. Gently lift the lawnmower module from one side and use the module vertical stand to keep it steady. Please ensure to wear protective gloves before any operation. Use the Phillips head screwdriver provided to unscrew the bolts. Take the spare cutting blades and bolts and cutting disc bolts box, take out a new blade and a new bolt. Align the hole of the blade and the hole of the cutting disc. Screw in the bolt with the Phillips head screwdriver. Please do remember, fasten the bolt tight. Use the Allen key 2 provided to unscrew the 4 bolts. Take off the old cutting disc. Place the new cutting disc at the right position. Take out the spare cutting blades and bolts and cutting disc bolts box. Take out 4 new bolts. Use Allen key 2 to screw in the bolts.